sufferer. Yeah. From the factory floor to the ghetto door. Jah, I know you see the tears of your people. Stress and depression spreading like evil. If worry was riches, poor man wealthy. But hard work alone can't keep us healthy. Clocking in before the sunrise glow, still can't afford what we working for. Bills stack high like Babylon wall, and every payday feel too small. They say be patient, wait your turn, but hungry belly don't want concern. We're not begging for charity hand, just fair wages for the working man. Oh, we not ask for silver spoon, just justice under sun and moon. Opportunity for every youth, equal rights and equal truth. Cry for the working man, sweat on his brow, still he stand. Try to provide for his clan, still fighting down oppression plan. Rise from the dust we stand. Jah, Jah, Jah guide this your land. Hope, hope in his mighty hand. Red, gold and green shall expand. Rise up, rise up. Factory line and construction site, security guard through the night. Nurse in the ward, teacher in class, still system treat them like second class. Politician talk with polished tongue, promise heaven but deliver gun. But truth can hide in shadow long, righteous fire soon blaze strong. I got the IQ of a genius mind, but poverty try to keep me confined. Education locked behind a fee, while corruption roam wild and free. Still I hold meditation deep, plant good seeds that Jah will keep. No weapon form shall make I weak. Truth and love is what I preach. One day tables gonna turn, Babylon system gonna burn. Not with violence but wisdom light, when people stand up for their rights. No more children cry at night, no more dreams just out of sight.